Before the pyramids rose from the desert, before Rome forged its empire, a mysterious civilization was already building colossal temples on a tiny island in the Mediterranean. But who were they? And what secrets do their stones still hold? This is Malta, the island that outsmarted empires. Malta's story begins over 8,000 years ago, when its first inhabitants made a daring crossing by sea, most likely from nearby Sicily. They weren't just survivors. They were visionaries. They farmed the rugged land, worshipped their gods, and constructed megalithic temples so advanced that they continue to mystify archaeologists today. These silent stone giants are a testament to a culture that thrived long before the great civilizations we know. But paradise is rarely left alone. Over centuries, Malta became a prize for the powerful. The Phoenicians gave it its name, Malet, meaning safe haven. The Romans fortified it, leaving behind villas and mosaics. The Arabs reshaped its language and architecture. Then the Normans reclaimed it for Christendom. Each empire left its mark, but none could erase the island's resilient spirit. Instead, Malta absorbed them all, creating a unique culture found nowhere else on Earth. In 1565, this tiny island became the stage for one of history's most epic battles. The Knights of St. John, a battle-hardened order of chivalry, had made Malta their fortress. When the mighty Ottoman Empire attacked with a force of 40,000, the island was defended by just 700 knights and a few thousand soldiers. Against all odds, Malta held. Their victory was so stunning it sent shockwaves across Europe and halted the Ottoman advance, forever changing the course of history. To ensure Malta would never be vulnerable again, the knights and their successors built a network of watchtowers along the coast. Names like Wignacourt, Lascaris, and Redin became synonymous with vigilance. These towers weren't just stone sentinels. They were a sophisticated communication system. A fire lit on one tower could be seen by the next, creating a chain of signals that could warn the capital Valletta of an approaching enemy in minutes. They were the eyes of the island, the watchers of the sea. Centuries later, during World War II, Malta would once again become the most bombed place on Earth. The islanders faced relentless air raids, but they refused to break. They took their lives underground, carving out entire cities beneath their cities. These subterranean networks of tunnels and shelters became their homes, their hospitals, and their hope for survival. It was a staggering display of courage that earned the entire island the George Cross, Britain's highest civilian honor for bravery. From prehistoric temples to a modern European republic, Malta is a living museum of resilience, a crossroads of civilizations, and a testament to the human spirit's ability to endure and rebuild. Its story is written in ancient stone medieval walls, and the proud heart of its people. Want to discover more of this incredible island's secrets? Explore the towers, walk the siege walls, and uncover the forgotten history of the island that defied time. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories from the crossroads of history.